A good developer fixes bugs. A great one designs systems that don't fail. I've launched 3 #1 apps, and sure, I made some money, but it wasn't easy. In-app purchases, those were critical, so you need eyes on every moving part. I'll show you how I built everything, line by line, case by case. People say, just use a tool, but that would be admitting defeat. I built unique flows for every purchase state, not to mention a custom entitlement API for grace periods and family sharing. Oh, and a StoreKit 1 fallback for the peasants still on iOS 14. Wait, no. This only runs if the subscription started on iOS 14 and was upgraded via web. I mean, all that matters is that it works. Now, if a subscription expires, I have custom logic to grant temporary entitlements based on the user's unique cohort. Check this out. No, this can't happen. I rebuilt my entire system and my code never breaks.
Monetization is important, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Our simple SDK gives you a single API for purchases on iOS, Android, and the web. Analytics, integrations, and growth tools included, so you can focus on building your app. Ship faster and grow your app with RevenueCat. Get started for free.